Viasat One News, proudly brought to you by Ideal Finance.
A warm welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Let's do other stories. And the Sekondi Takoradi chairman of the Ghana Chamber of Commerce, Stefan Mezan, has urged government to introduce adequate tax incentives to induce petroleum companies and other businesses to site their headquarters in the Western region. Mr. Mezan says any efforts to get major players to operate from the regions would open up the local economies and breathe life into government's own agenda of ensuring development through decentralization.
The Ghana National Chamber of Commerce, GNCC, has for decades been the face of business advocacy across the length and breadth of the country. However, the success of the Chamber of Commerce is largely dependent on government's ability to create an enabling environment. In a response to President Mohammed's recent statement retreating government's commitment to promoting decentralization in business, the Sekondi Takoradi chairman of the GNCC, Stefan Mezan, said the siting of petroleum companies' offices outside the Western region shows how government is not committed to promoting businesses at the grassroots.
Register a business, you have to go to Accra. Sometimes you go to register journals, and then they keep telling you that, oh, as for this name, you have to go to Accra and then go and check. We don't want that thing. If they say decentralized, we need to feel it. The people around the nation need to feel it. Let's take, for example, kindly, Ghana, we have oil. We are thinking that if that whole sector, that ministry and its sector and all its downtrend will be brought into the region, because this is where the oil is found. First of all, what happens is that it will bring all the executives here. The executives will come with their employees. Population increases, businesses grow. Because in any society that grows, it's population that makes it grow.
Mr. Mezan made suggestions to government on how effective tax laws could be used to propel businesses at a grassroots level.
If you even look at our tax laws, there are concessions for businesses to enjoy when they site their businesses outside of the capital city. But how true is it that when people really want to access that those tax exempts, they get it? They don't get it. They really don't get it. So they are never really ready to come. They will rather stay in Accra. When oil was discovered, hotels, services went up. Real estate went up. Now go around the city. The houses are empty. The offices are empty. It's because of government bureaucracies, because of certain incentives that have not been given to them, they've all left.
To be sure if there exist such tax incentives in the Tax Act, I spoke to Ricky Nelson of the Western Regional Office of the Ghana Revenue Authority.
There's something that we call location tax incentive. That to say that if any business, that's manufacturing company, if you locate it outside Accra, there's an incentive for you with regards to your tax. If you are any of the regional capitals, 25% is off. If you are in other towns that outside Accra, outside the regional capitals, that it is 50%.
It is now clear that there is no such tax rebate to attract businesses outside Accra, except the location incentive provision for only manufacturing companies. Government must therefore sit up if it seeks to spread development at a local level. Reporting for Viasat One News, I am Agyei Annim, Takoradi.